what difference the children of Pakistan and that of Germany.
There are 22 million children here out of school. There are not so many in Germany out of school, so it's very important to bring them from primary education to secondary education, and if they want, to universities.
Germany is doing specially for the girls.
Girls can better develop in girls' schools, so the co-education is the standard.
In Pakistan, most of the girls, they drop out of school before primary because there are not enough, female teachers in their schools. They're mostly male.
I think it's very important that those who are doing vocational training, that they provide electricity, that they go in the IT sector, that they have also, that they are have a good social reputation.
Is Germany providing any scholarships for people in Pakistan?
The university education is free in Germany, unlike in the United Kingdom, unlike in the States. They even pay the students if they go to university and don't have rich parents to finance. And this free university system encourages many to apply for a study in Germany without a scholarship. This is really a strong woman who is in power now for 14 years. She will phase out now, but she determined the fate of Germany for quite some time.